Today we talk about how can you change your username on your CC app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down, you click here on profile down here, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do next, you just click here on edit profile, just click on it. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You come here to username, and here can you change here your username in this list. So when you just add it here, go above save, click on it, then here it's going to save with you. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.